So as you can see, you know, I'm looking all cute or whatever. I got inspired by the Bratz. I just put this look together and I was like, you know, this little popping or whatever. Subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. I had so much fun making this video. Won't freaking stay in my tiny ears, my
tiny Bratz ears.
Oh honey, before I start, I did my makeup first, and I had this little headband slash, you know, fabric over my head, you know, to just melt the lace and, you know, tie my hair down. So don't judge me, okay? I didn't use a pillowcase this time. I upgraded. So for further ado, let's get on with this video. Hey guys, this is the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely comment down below what other styles you want me to do. And this top is made by me. Actually, it has you can't really see it because my lights are so bright, because I am that bitch. and it has like Yasmin with her arms crossed like this or whatever. If you want to get this shirt, just DM me on Instagram or contact me anyway, and I will definitely get that for you. Wig is from my hairline, so make sure you check that out. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. You know, we about to be to 13K. Look, it's to 15K. I'm gonna do a special giveaway for you guys. It's gonna be super lit, okay? Thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for supporting me. I really love this look, and I hope you really love it too. And maybe you can recreate it. I don't know. Let's start a trend. I don't know. Yeah, babies. I love you guys, and have a blessed day. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye. Yo, that I didn't watch her last video. You hear me?